Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from Australia to Bangladesh using Remitly in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. First off, go ahead and log into your account, and then you want to go to manage at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click that, and then you want to make sure you're sending to Bangladesh. If it's not sending to Bangladesh, just simply click on that and look for Bangladesh. There we go. And the next thing you want to do is you want to click on profile, and you want to make sure that you change this sending from to Australia. All right. Once done, just click save, go back again. And then from here, you want to click send so you can start sending. And then from here, you want to choose the amount that you will be sending. For example, I'll be sending 100 Australian dollars. Next, you want to choose the payment method. So we have several here: debit, Google Pay, or credit card. For now, let's go ahead and choose debit. Next, you can go ahead and click continue. On the next page, it'll ask for the delivery method. So you have options here such as bank deposit, mobile money, cash pickup. So for today, let's go ahead and choose bank deposit. Again, click continue. Choose the bank or your recipient's bank. Let's say, for example, this one. And then on the next page, it'll ask for the bank details. Now, simply just put in the account number, routing number, all details needed here, and then click continue. Once you click continue, it'll ask for you to review this before you finally send the money, and that should be it. That's it. Now you know how to transfer money from Australia to Bangladesh using Remitly in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.